All right, guys, it's a little cold today, which is crazy because it's been really nice. But had a few comments saying, hey, would love to see how you clean lamps. So in some scenarios, I will take the glass panes out. In this scenario, it was going to be a lot of work to take this apart, take the glass panes out. So I'm leaving them in. I've kind of already started. So I've wiped down, they were really dirty. I forgot to get my camera out, but I've already wiped them down wet, and now I'm gonna go ahead and wash them. So I take the light bulbs out, and then you'll kind of see here that this is running a certain way, so it'd make it kind of hard to clean this. It's a tight spot in general. I'm gonna do the back part first, and then I'm actually gonna twist this so I have more room to work, right? So basically I have this little 6-inch washer. I've already wetted it all down, got all the main bug stuff off, and now, okay, here's some more gunk. So as far as being able to get the whole thing clean, obviously, like the corners, there's going to be a little gunk that I'm not able to get, right? But on the back, I just start and I soap it up, and you just kind of clean it like you would anything else, right? Steel wool, obviously, see, you want to be gentle. You want to apply pressure, but you want to be gentle because this thing isn't, as sturdy as a window that's built into a wall. So the whole time you're just trying to think like, I don't want to break this thing, right? And so you steel wool it, and I'm going to use my squeegee, and you're not going to do a good squeegee job. Like, it's not like squeegeeing a window, but I'm just trying to get the majority of the stuff wiped away, because then I'm going to go through with my dry microfiber towel and wipe it down. So it's very tedious. I shouldn't have made the outside wet because I'll be honest now, I can't really tell what's dry or not. But at the end, I'll go through on both sides to make sure everything is wiped really well. But so that's that. One part's done. So now this whole thing kind of twist off. I don't want to twist it off. I just kind of want to gently twist it. So now I've got room on both sides to do my work, right? So same kind of thing. You just keep doing it. So you do the whole inside and still wool it and everything. And then once you've done the inside, you move on to the outside. So I will hurry and hit the rest of the inside, and we'll go from there. Hi, I'm moving on to the door. Again, just the biggest piece of this is just being delicate with it, being gentle. I don't want to break the glass out. Don't want to break the door. Then it wouldn't be worth it. So you just scrub it a little bit. Same process. But it's that easy. I'm using steel wool. 4-0 steel wool, using my 6-inch squeegee, my 6-inch washer, just little pieces of equipment that make some of this stuff really easy. And that's it. It helps make the job go faster. I see things where people are like, yeah, I could still figure out how to use a 12-inch squeegee on this. And I'm like, good for you. Go for it. Do whatever works for you. When it comes to making content, because I'm trying to push stuff on TikTok too, it is crazy to me how much correction I get. And I'm like, hey, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just showing you what I do. It's hilarious. So this is what I do. And if you want to do it to make things easier for you, go for it. If not, I don't care. Rooting for you either way. Okay, so I'll show you the side. I'm on the outside here. Literally same exact process. Really simple. And you just I work this way around, finish at the door. Just, I don't know. I'm literally just doing it because I was like, oh, that'll be fun to finish at the door. There's no perfect way to do it. Get the thing clean. That's the perfect way to do it. So then I wipe it with my fiber towel. And again, if you skipped through, you didn't hear me. Yes, there are times where I take the pains out of these things. This one was going to be a lot harder to do. So I just left the panes in there. Makes it a little bit easier for me. Here's what's crazy. It was a rainy day today. Stopped raining. I was doing a big window cleaning job. Okay, so I'm just doing the back porch and a few of them over here. But it's one I do somewhat frequently. And yeah, it's kind of a fun job. And look at this pretty view. All right, so let's get to work. Outside, but it was under a porch, like a huge porch. So it stopped raining while I was there, and then I was able to come over and get these lamps cleaned. This is actually a house that I did recently. I cleaned the windows here, but they only counted the other 8 lamps that were on the house, and I just totally missed these. I didn't even see these. So these are lamps 9 and 10. I would have just done them if I saw them, but I didn't. So came back to knock them out for them. It just makes these things look so much better. So now I can see that there are some spots on the inside that I need to touch up. So that's a good thing. Like I said, I don't know why I wetted it, but either way, you got to do that at the end because the outside's not clean anyway. I guess you could clean the outside first. That's an option, and I didn't. So maybe I will next time. But that's that. I should add this to my course. Thanks, guys, for helping me think of some other things. Which, by the way, if you're watching this, I have a Start Your Window Cleaning course, window cleaning side hustle or business. Here's the explanation of how my course works. I'm not out here. I don't have $1 million business yet. You like that? So I don't promise that. I do promise the fact that when I started this as a side hustle, and I got to the point where it was making 50, 60K a year before I jumped, just the business itself. That way I knew that I could run it as a full-time business. So I can teach you how to get a 30, 40K business going. And that's what my course is all about. It's all the foundations of starting your window cleaning business. So you can check it out in the link below. And then I do coaching, just hour phone calls. You can create, I don't have like a coaching program yet, but I can get on the horn with you, talk. And then I think I want to build like a community group where we're just constantly encouraging and helping each other. So boom, there it is, guys. Oh man, 2 little leaves in the back. And I should have taken a little before video, but I didn't. But here it is. It's done. Hope that was helpful.